Nestled on a steep, forested slope in Brownsburg-Chatham, Quebec, the Tsuga Residence stands as an architectural response to the extremes of its site. The residence doesn't simply suit the terrain, but embraces it to create an immersive, poetic, and sensational living experience. Appareil's architectural appeal lies in its ability to integrate design with nature. They use honest materials and contemporary forms that remain rooted in tradition. This approach imbues a Nordic sensibility reminiscent of the simplicity, warmth, and timelessness of Scandinavian architecture. The building's composition consists of 3 stacked levels. A rectangular mass at the base supports 2 cubic volumes that are offset. From the front, the house appears closed and mysterious, while from the rear, it is fully open, overlooking a panoramic view of the forest and lake. The interior becomes a stage for music and light. The double-height living room, paneled in red oak, creates a warm atmosphere and perfect acoustics for a grand piano. Natural light from the monumental windows changes throughout the day, creating a unique living scene. The kitchen showcases bold design with black ash walls, combined with a stainless steel island and porcelain countertops. While simple, the details are elegant. Flexibility is also a priority. The main floor bedroom, the wooden boat deck, and the lakeview sauna are all designed for long-term use. Sustainability principles are consistently applied. The house utilizes passive strategies, natural lighting, and high-quality insulation, even exceeding local energy standards. Local wood materials and durable metal cladding emphasize its ecological commitment while providing a robust aesthetic.